Hello and welcome to this Technologic channel. In this video, we will review the 2023 Indian Sport Chief, the ultimate performance cruiser from Indian Motorcycle. We will take a closer look at the design, engine, frame, suspension, brakes, wheels and tires, ergonomics, instrument panel, LED lighting and electronics features of this amazing machine. If you are looking for a cruiser that combines American muscle, premium components and aggressive style, then the Sport Chief might be the perfect choice for you. The Sport Chief has a starting price of $18,999 US MSRP, plus a logistics surcharge of $600 and a destination charge and setup fee. Let's get started. The Sport Chief has a distinctive design that sets it apart from other cruisers. It features a new quarter fairing that sports a 6.5-inch windscreen for wind protection and an aggressive look. The fairing also houses the 4-inch touchscreen instrument panel that we will talk about later. The Sport Chief also has a gunfighter-style solo seat with a taller bolster that provides comfort and support for the rider. The seat height is 27 inches, which is low enough for most riders to reach the ground easily. The Sport Chief has a classic mechanical design with a simple steel-tubed frame, an air-cooled V-twin engine, and iconic cruiser styling. The frame is painted in gloss black to match the rest of the bike, and the engine is finished in matte black with contrast-cut highlights. The Sport Chief also has stylish gloss black 6-inch moto-style risers with machine highlights that come standard in mean business. The risers hold the machine triples and moto-style handlebars that tie it all together, both in custom looks and dialed ergonomics. The Sport Chief is available in 4 trim and color options: Black Smoke, Ruby Smoke, Stealth Gray, and Spirit Blue Smoke. Each option has its own unique graphics and accents that enhance the sporty and edgy character of the bike. The heart of the Sport Chief is the legendary air-cooled Thunderstroke 116 V-twin engine that produces 120 foot-pound of raw torque that dominates in all 6 gears. This engine has a displacement of 116 cubic inches, or 1,890 cc, a bore and stroke of 4.063 inches by 4.449 inches, and a compression ratio of 11:1. It has a closed-loop fuel injection system with a 54 mm bore and a wet multi-plate clutch. The engine also has a dual exhaust system with a crossover that delivers a deep and throaty sound. The Thunderstroke 116 engine is not only powerful, but also reliable and easy to maintain. It has hydraulic valve lash adjusters and cam chain tensioners that eliminate the need for frequent valve adjustments. It also has a gear drive wet clutch that reduces clutch wear and maintenance costs. The Sport Chief has a steel-tubed frame that is strong and rigid, providing stability and confidence at high speeds and in corners. The frame also allows for easy customization thanks to its simple design and bolt-on accessories. The Sport Chief has a wheelbase of 64.6 inches, a rake of 28 degrees, and a trail of 4.4 inches. These dimensions give the bike a balanced and agile handling that suits its performance-oriented nature. The Sport Chief boasts premium suspension components from renowned brands that enhance its ride quality and performance capability. On the front, it has 46 mm KYB inverted forks that offer 5.1 inches of travel and are fully adjustable for preload, compression, and rebound damping. These forks provide excellent feedback and control over bumps and rough surfaces. On the rear, it has longer Fox piggyback shocks that offer 3 inches of travel and are also fully adjustable for preload, compression, and rebound damping. These shocks absorb impacts and keep the rear wheel planted on the road. The Sport Chief also has top-notch braking components from Brembo, one of the leading manufacturers of high-performance brake systems in the world. On the front, it has dual Brembo 4-piston calipers with semi-floating 320 mm rotors that provide powerful and consistent stopping power in all conditions. On the rear, it has a single Brembo 2-piston caliper with a semi-floating 300 mm rotor that complements the front brakes well. The Sport Chief also comes with Bosch ABS as standard, which prevents wheel lockup and skidding in emergency situations. The Sport Chief rides on lightweight cast alloy wheels that have a sporty design and contrast-cut details. The front wheel is 19 inches by 3.5 inches, while the rear wheel is 16 inches by 5 inches. These wheels are wrapped in sticky Pirelli Night Dragon tires that provide excellent grip and traction on various road surfaces. The Sport Chief has a rider-focused ergonomics that puts the rider in the proper position to maximize performance. The seat, the handlebars, and the foot controls are all designed to offer comfort, support, and control. The seat has a gunfighter style with a taller bolster that keeps the rider in place during acceleration and braking. The seat height is 27 inches, which is low enough for most riders to reach the ground easily. The handlebars are moto style with 6-inch risers that offer a comfortable reach and a sporty feel. The handlebars also have machined triples and bar-end mirrors that add to the custom look and the visibility. The foot controls are mid-mounted, which gives the rider a more aggressive stance and a better leverage over the bike. The foot controls also have a 29.5-degree lean angle, which allows the rider to lean more into corners without scraping the pegs. The Sport Chief has a 4-inch touchscreen instrument panel that maintains a classic aesthetic by disguising itself as an analog gauge. The instrument panel provides all the essential information such as speed, RPM, fuel level, gear position, odometer, trip meter, clock, and ambient temperature. It also has a customizable display that lets the rider choose from different layouts and colors. The instrument panel also has connected features such as turn-by-turn navigation, weather and traffic overlays, ride modes, phone calls, and music control. The rider can access these features by using the touchscreen or the switchgear on the handlebars. The instrument panel also has Bluetooth connectivity that allows the rider to pair their smartphone or other devices with the bike. The Sport Chief has LED lighting all around that enhances its visibility and style. It has a round LED headlight that has a halo ring and a projector beam that provide a bright and focused illumination of the road ahead. It also has LED turn signals, tail light, and license plate light that are sleek and modern. The Sport Chief also has a USB charging port located under the seat that allows the rider to charge their devices on the go. The Sport Chief comes with several electronics features that make it more convenient and enjoyable to ride. It has 3 ride modes, Sport, Standard, and Tour, that let the rider adjust the throttle response and power delivery according to their preference and riding conditions. It also has cruise control that lets the rider set and maintain a desired speed without using the throttle. It also has keyless ignition that lets the rider start and stop the bike with a proximity fob without using a key. It also has Bosch ABS that prevents wheel lockup and skidding in emergency situations. That's it for this video review of the 2023 Indian Sport Chief, the ultimate performance cruiser from Indian Motorcycle. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new about this amazing machine. If you are interested in buying or test riding one, please visit your nearest Indian motorcycle dealer or check out their website for more information. Thank you for watching and see you next time.